If you think that PowerPoint is no longer relevant for modern managers and teams, some studies can change your mind. This research shows that this popular Microsoft tool continues to be an essential resource for people creating presentations. That is why, in this video, we'll show you how to create a project timeline in PowerPoint and provide a shortcut that can save you valuable time. Let's take a look at the first option and make a timeline using a simple table. Open PowerPoint and go to the Insert tab on the ribbon at the top of your screen. Click the New Slide drop-down menu to view different presentation layouts. For our example, we'll use the blank one. To fill the empty canvas with the required data, find the Table menu and select the number of cells and rows for your future chart. We'll need to create 1 row and 10 columns. Then, hover over the plus icon in the corner of the table and add 5 more cells. Let's also scale to fit the width of the canvas. Now, let's create our task column. By clicking on the first box and dragging to the right, select 3 first cells and click Merge in the Table tab. Then, you can increase the height of the future column to let them fill the entire blank. It can be done manually by reaching for the edge of the table and using drag and drop, or by clicking on Format Table and formatting the width and length of your table on the right side of your screen. This seems a little bit dull. Let's enhance the visual and customize your future project timeline. To do it, go to the right side of the pane in the Table tab. Change the color of the table and the type of border visualization. It's also possible to select the required cells and change them directly in the appeared window. In our example, we choose different shades of orange and thick white borders. Now let's make rows for our tasks. For that, select the required column and choose Split in the Table tab. In the appeared window, select the number of rows dependent on the number of tasks you have. In our example, we choose 9 rows for the first column. Next, you can insert task names. When your rows are filled, you can add months. Simply click on a specific column and start typing at the top or bottom of it. It's also possible to edit text color, alignment, and other attributes according to your preferences. Here's how the table looks now. And finally, it's time to start adding taskbars. To do it, go to the Insert tab, find Shapes, choose a rounded rectangle, and paste it near a specific task. It will allow you to add rectangles similar to typical Gantt chart bars for each task, considering their duration. In PowerPoint, you can also change colors for your tasks to differentiate them. Now let's visualize possible dependencies between tasks. Go to the Insert tab again, select Shapes, and find Elbow Arrow Connector. To link rounded rectangles, click on the edge of one and drag the arrow to the desired edge of the other one. You can change a task to a milestone using the diamond shape. Navigate to the Change Shape menu and select a diamond. Don't forget to add a title to your project timeline by inserting a text box. As you see, the project timeline example described above is not so detailed and quick for creation. Therefore, it's a good idea to explore a more powerful approach to creating a trustworthy project timeline. One of the leading project management timeline tools, famous for its accessibility, user-friendliness, and flexibility, is GanttPRO. However, what truly distinguishes this platform from PowerPoint is that GanttPRO manages to combine ease in scheduling with powerful features that transform a simple timeline into a fully fledged strategic tool. Let's see how it works. Once you signed up, you can create a new project. Click the Create New Project button, choose the first option and enter all the necessary data in the settings window. If you need a quicker start, use GanttPRO Gantt chart templates. You'll get pre-made timelines designed for software development, education, construction, manufacturing, retail, and other industries. After creating a project, you can gather all your tasks and events and logically organize them. It's easy to visualize start and end dates and add duration for each task. GanttPRO users can take advantage of a work breakdown structure. With this structure, you can divide all functional parts of your project into smaller tasks and subtasks to keep things organized and maintain hierarchy. Display estimation, budget, priority, assignees, or create custom fields according to your specific requirements. Your GanttPRO project can visualize all the people involved in it, as well as all the necessary resources. Simply invite and manage people and resources here. This tool also enables you to specify their units and costs to calculate spendings. Another benefit of this software is the workload control feature. With its help, you can see which members of your team are overloaded and who, on the contrary, can get additional tasks or activities. With the user-friendly drag-and-drop feature, you can create clear dependencies between tasks, ensuring a logical workflow and highlighting how changes in one task affect others. In addition, GanttPRO allows for highlighting project milestones to let you focus on key moments or major events. And that's it for this tutorial. Now, you should have a clear understanding of how to create a project timeline in PowerPoint and in our robust Gantt chart solution. If you're still on the fence, don't hesitate to try out GanttPRO with a 14-day free trial.